Welcome to Seeq University and this video on search functionality in Seeq. By now you should be familiar with previous videos with the Seeq Workbench environment and be able to find the Data tab. This video will cover how to use the search feature on the Data tab, including using the search box and search result types, targeting your search by data source, using wildcards and regular expressions, and how to search, navigate, and asset hierarchies. With Seeq you can search like Google. Simply type in the search box the name or part of the name of an item of any data source that's connected to Seeq. For example, if I type in BA:, I get 5 results. These results are all signals. We can tell that from the signal icon on the left side of the result item. We can also see the data source where the search result came from, as it's shown in the text box below the signal name, as well as any descriptor text. We can next open any additional filters that enable you to search across a defined data source, description, or data type, or all of them at once. This is important to customers with Seeq connected to many data sources. Also, my list of items separates into categories, asset trees, and recently accessed. If I click the pin icon on an item, I'll get a third category called pinned, which will be an easy place for me to store signals that I use frequently. So I can search for a signal from just the connected Pi server with level as a description text, but there's still too many results. I'll enter BA:, in the search box and will get just one result for that description, that data type, that data source, and that search term. Seeq also supports wildcard syntax. For example, an asterisk or star to match on anything, a question mark to match on a single character, and a double ampersand as a logical and between two or more search strings. For advanced searches, regular expressions are also supported, as shown in the text. There's a complex example at the bottom if you want to pause the video to take a look at it. These wildcard and regular expression shortcuts are very flexible tools for customers with hundreds of thousands, if not millions of items in their asset lists and historians. Let's try a regular expression with a BA:**. Since all previously found items start with BA and have one character after the A, the results should be the same, and they are. Now let's talk about asset framework navigation. The root of every asset database that is connected to Seeq is shown here. We can see the example assets installed as part of Seeq for demonstration purposes, a Pi asset framework also called PiAF, and various other asset trees in the list. By clicking on the asset, I will go to the next level in the tree. As we navigate a complex asset tree, breadcrumbs are left across the top of the asset list, so you always know where you are and how you got there. You can jump back up the tree by clicking on the breadcrumbs. By clicking on the top-level asset root, I can get back to the starting point. This concludes this video on how to use the search functionality in Seeq, including tools to accelerate your search. Remember, setting up datasets for search in Seeq is done automatically as part of the connection process to the data source, either when Seeq is installed or when you add more sources as part of your work. Thank you for watching.